Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You guys are familiar with this 2005 Scion TC I bought for this channel. And this is really cool, affordable sports car, right? And the moment I bought it, I started driving it, I felt like it's pretty zippy and fast. And I mean fast, when I say fast, I mean considering what it is, right? It's a 4-cylinder with 5-speed manual transmission, but it's pretty light. The transmission is really short geared, so it feels like on acceleration it's pretty good. And I will say best way to measure acceleration on the car like this will be measure 0 to 60, right? So let's go together in this video and see how it will perform. Alright, let's go and find some good road where we can perform this little test. And obviously I need to warm up the engine, right? Which takes just a little while here. Last time I did this was with you with the 2006 Sequoia, you probably remember, and I think we measured like 8 seconds, 0 to 60, it was like 8 seconds. Sequoia is a big and heavy SUV, right? But it has a big engine, 4.7 liter V8, so we will see what's the difference between big, heavy and very powerful V8 or a very light car with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder and 5-speed manual. I won't be able to hold the phone and measure it. I will need your help to do this test because yeah, I can't do all of this. It'll be distraction. Also, I didn't want to take anybody else with me. It will put the weight in the car and that will negatively affect these measurements. That's for sure. I think this is perfect spot for us. Just have to watch for the CHP because they are around here. So let's go. First try. 3, 2, 1, go. How many seconds it was, but it was fun. I love it. Don't want to go way faster, right? We will be not doing 100 or something. As I said, this is frequently watched by the local CHP, California Highway Patrol, so we don't want to get caught here. And that start was a little bit from gravel. We will get the other place where we actually did it with Sequoia. We're using the same road, it's close to my shop. So that's cool. I understand I'm not perfectly straight, but I'm watching for traffic. Nobody's coming, so let's try one more time. 3, 2, 1, go! That was with a lot of spinning. I guess I don't know this car enough yet. I'm not a professional driver, obviously. just a grease monkey. But this is fun, guys. I don't care what the numbers are, and I will try to measure it while editing this video. This completely proves one thing. For a little bit of money, you can have a lot of fun with this little Scion. That's for sure. That might be CHP right there. Look at it. Is it? No, but it had that white roof. Yep. You have to be careful, as I said, but this is so much fun. CHP right there. Wasn't I telling the truth? They're all over this area. Doing this, being here in the cabin, I have no idea how fast it is. Kind of the time doesn't go the same way. I get too excited about it. Let's try one more time. Still wonder if it's faster than Sequoia with the V8, right? Or this little light two-door is actually faster than that. And this is a road where normally there's no traffic, so I can pull over, stop, and we can start a straight section. So look, speed limit 45. Okay, we will exceed it tiny bit. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh yeah. Mistake, beginner. I didn't shift correctly. Did you see that? Same section. I'm looking in the mirror, nobody's behind us. There are marks on the road from somebody else's tires. I guess it's popular in the night. 3, 2, 1, let's go! 60. Woohoo! Not bad for such a little car. Yep. So much fun. I love it. I tell you, that was a great fun. I'm back at the shop. I need to unload the gear, edit the footage, and measure those times. And I still wonder, was this little kid's toy faster than that big Sequoia? Well, let's see the numbers in the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for sticking around, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.